My dream in the drawer. I once had a dream, so small and light, I kept it in a box. I kept it hidden, safe and sound, in my drawer of socks. This tiny dream I had, you see, was mostly about me, and who I'd be, and where I'd go, and what I'd one day see. At first it was a little dream, until one day it grew, and so I took it out for air, to show my dream to you. And then my dream, it got so big, I had to let it out. I took it to the playground, and watched it bounce about. Then all the kids, they saw my dream, and said, "We want one too." I said to them, "Okay, no probs," and told them what to do. Well, first you think of what you want, believe it with your heart. To get a dream as big as mine, this is the place to start. And once it's big enough, I said, you've got to let it free, to fly up high across the world, for all the world to see. And at that point, my big old dream, which once was in a drawer, shook and climbed, took to the sky, and soared and soared and soared.